The Citadel, recorded in 1967 by the Beatles, relates to this theme, which was selected, called psychedelic rock, and it incorporates some of the genre's fundamental characteristics of musicality and instrumentation. This diagram that you see right here shows the many different elements that each song has made and how it relates to the overall theme of psychedelic rock, such as using instruments like electric guitars, the topic of the lyrics, like themes of going on a psychedelic trip, and different elements of sound manipulation like space. At time 0 to 5 seconds into the song, you can instantly hear some core elements in the genre. This includes electric guitars and some reverberation and echoes. Furthermore, the song uniquely incorporates the aspect of space. If you listen carefully and have good quality headphones, you'll be able to notice that the lyrics in the song are only playing through one ear, which is your left ear, and then the instrumentation of the song is being recorded in your right ear. Along with that, at the timestamp of 1 minute and 20 seconds, you can hear them talking about a psychedelic trip in which the walls are speaking. This fits most themes of the songs in this genre. Now, overall, if we look at this Venn diagram here, there are 3 different songs that are in the genre of psychedelic rock and how they all incorporate with each other. So here we have the Citadel and Rolling Stones, by the Rolling Stones, and then we have Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds by the Beatles. Now, the song by the Beatles uses a Hammond organ to add a more robotic timbre to the song, which kind of fits the vibe of a psychedelic rock type song. And then here we have the Citadel. It uses space in its song so that the user can feel more immersed in what the song is trying to portray. And then overall, these 2 songs use a normal, natural voice, but then they add different layers on top of it, such as reverberation, to add to more of a psychedelic feel. Now, we have Mr. Blue Sky by Electric Light Orchestra, and then how that song and the Citadel actually relate to each other. So actually, both songs have this, interestingly enough, have an outro in which it's just the instrumentation playing, and it lasts for about 30 seconds, so as a proper outro to the song, which I find is very interesting. In Mr. Blue Sky, however, they use synthesizers to manipulate the main voice in the song, similar to what Kraftwerk did in their music. And now we have how Mr. Blue Sky and Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds relate to each other. So actually both songs use electronic instruments in order to harmonize with each other's voices. So, and they actually incorporate multiple voices in the song, so probably using looped recordings of what they've said, like maybe like a second delay to add to more of an echoey type effect in both of their songs. And then they also use electronic instruments in order to amplify and manipulate both of their voices.